Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Google Analytics login problems, property access errors step by step clearly. First, confirm you are signing in with the correct Google account by checking the profile icon in the top right corner. If you have multiple accounts, log out of all Google accounts and then log in again using only the account that should have access. Open an incognito or private window to eliminate cached sessions and try signing in to Google Analytics again. Clear your browser cache and cookies for google.com and analytics.google.com, then restart the browser. Disable browser extensions like ad blockers, privacy blockers, or script blockers, because they can prevent analytics from loading correctly. Try a different browser, such as Chrome or Edge, to rule out a browser-specific issue. Check your internet connection in VPN settings, because some VPNs or corporate networks can block Google services. Go to analytics.google.com and verify whether you are landing in the correct product, GA4 or Universal Analytics, based on what you expect to see. If you see you don't have access, click the account selector and confirm you are viewing the right account and property. Ask your admin to confirm you were added to the correct GA4 property, not just the Google Marketing Platform organization or another account. Request at least viewer access first, because without a role you will see property access errors even if the property exists. Have the admin add you using your exact Gmail address, and double-check for typos or alias addresses. If you are using Google Workspace, confirm your admin did not restrict access to external services or block analytics in security settings. If you recently received access, wait 5 to 15 minutes and refresh, because permissions can take time to propagate. Open Google Analytics Admin and check whether your access is at the account level or property level to ensure it applies where you need it. If you can access the account but not a specific property, ask the admin to add you directly to that property's access management. If the property was moved or renamed, if you are trying to access a linked product like Google Ads, Search Console, or BigQuery, verify you have permissions in those products too. If you are using a client's property, ensure you are invited to their Google Analytics, not only to their Google Tag Manager container. Check whether you are mistakenly opening a bookmarked URL for a property you no longer have access to, and instead open from the Analytics homepage. If you see an organization or brand account issue, confirm you are not mixing Google accounts between Chrome profiles. For persistent errors, remove and re-add the user access, because re-inviting can resolve stuck permission states. If you are the owner, check admin settings to ensure the property is not deleted, and look in the trash can if applicable. Verify your system date and time are correct, because incorrect time settings can cause Google sign-in problems. If you get a 403 or access denied message, try turning off enhanced tracking protection or strict privacy mode in the browser. If you manage many properties, use Google Switch account and switch property options slowly and allow pages to fully load. As a final diagnostic step, try signing in on a different device or mobile hotspot to isolate device or network restrictions. If nothing works, contact Google Analytics support or your organization admin with screenshots and the exact error text for faster resolution. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.